Quick review of the Fiveray M40. This is a 40-watt LED that's designed to be portable. First of all, I love it when people put quality in. This has got a magnetic close on the box that most people are just going to throw away. And there is some weight in here. So we have a manual, it looks like. That baby's thick. I'm not sure why we need something so thick these days. Wrapped in nice thin plastic. Let's go ahead and get this open. And this is a bicolor, and it's got a little swivel on it. So this is going to be your quarter thread here. It's going to be your standard quarter thread, and they make it so that you can kind of adjust the light as you need to. It even tells you it's 40 watts on the back. It's supposed to have a runtime of 30 minutes, but seeing how I'm peeling the plastic for the first time, have not been able to test that. If you've run into situations where the lights have overheated or you've had problems, this has vents on the bottom. It has a fan inside there. Not sure if you can see it. And it's vented on both the top, bottom, and side. So this guy is ready for some use. And it looks like we've got two knobs essentially. We have our brightness, which that is bright. All right, that gets very bright, and then of course we can control the color values because it is by color. So this is first review of this light. Let's go ahead and turn it off. There was also something else in the bottom of the box, and it's got a little mini USB plug. Let's see, it looks like it is USB-C on the side. So again, you can kind of mount that on top. It's too bad. Yeah, you're kind of limited. I always like my lights going this way. I feel like if we're filming in landscape mode, I would want my lights to go out in landscape mode versus if you're top mounting, you're kind of restricted to this. The other thing I'm curious about, I don't know if you can, how well that's going to show up just because the lighting in here, but the LEDs, you can see the LEDs. So I'm just kind of curious how much diffusion this light is going to have. No, that's a plastic case. This thing is heavy though, so I am impressed with the build quality. It looks great. I actually saw this on a YouTube video. That's how I ended up finding this guy. So I am curious to see how well it works long term.